Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Jessica. Hello MissPlanIt, my name is Jessica. Hi Jessica. I have been watching your videos for some time now. Your ideas have helped me a lot with planning my wedding. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, I was unable to have the wedding of my dreams. Wow. I'm working on planning a redo wedding for next spring or summer. I would like to create something that does not feature flowers as a focal point. I love the glam look of chandeliers and I would like the centerpiece to be gold with white flower accents. I'm usually good at recreating things that I see, but I'm having trouble finding a way to recreate this centerpiece. Can you help me make the centerpiece on a budget? Well, Jessica, I'm happy to say that we are going to do exactly that. I'm so excited to show you how we took your inspiration piece and turned it into a beautiful centerpiece for a fraction of the cost. A centerpiece like this, typically created by a designer, would cost you upwards of $500 a piece. And that is to rent it. So I'm so glad to show you how we created this look for about $80. All right, guys, let's get started with our project of the week, Glam Chandelier Wedding Centerpiece. All right, let's go. Our first step is going to be to create a stabilizing piece for our frame. I'm using a 3/8 inch hardwood dowel. I'm going to paint it gold to match the frame. One thing I love about this frame is that it comes in a 2-pack, so you really get 2 frames for under $30. So they range about $15 or less each. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm taking the gold dowel that we painted, I'm going to attach it to the top right in the center using either liquid nail or high heat hot glue. Next we're going to cut out sections of green styrofoam in about 2 inches by about 3 inches long. And we're then going to trim out the center part so that it can fit around our aluminum sides of our frame. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and attach the styrofoam to the corners of each, well, kind of the opposite corners. I choose the opposite so that you're kind of letting the flowers flow throughout the centerpiece. You'll see what I mean. As you can see, I'm just attaching it to our frame using high heat hot glue. You just have to hold it there for, 10 to 15 seconds and it should be well within place. So now we're going to attach 6 to 8 cabbage roses and 6 to 8 MissPlanIt white roses to each section of foam. I'm so excited to be using our very own MissPlanIt roses in this project as well as other projects that we create. Now that our flowers are in place, it's time to attach our chandelier with the very simple hook that comes with the chandelier. So you have many options here. You can leave the chandelier without any candles. You can use what I'm using, these LED candles that I purchased from the dollar store, or you can use actual live fire candles depending on your event's requirements. So I'm using a little stickum on the bottom of the candles and that assures that they will stay in place and they won't tilt or be off-centered. Well, Jessica, how did we do? This is going to be absolutely beautiful at your wedding. What I will say is when you have a centerpiece that takes this much command of the stage, less is more. So if you have tables, let's say you have 8 tables. I would only have this particular centerpiece on 3, at the most 4 of the tables, and then do something a lot more simpler, like just candelabra on a glass mirror would be perfect to accent this type of a centerpiece. So remember, less is more. I'm so excited that we did this whole project for right at about $80. And remember, you get 2 frames for $23. So you really are getting 2 centerpieces almost for $80. All right, I hope you like it. If you would like to continue to follow us on our other social media, by all means, please do that. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? So simple. Go down to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. It's just that simple. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com site, where you can find all of your DIY digital downloadable planning guide needs. We have so many awesome things there. Don't want you guys to miss out. So head on over there and check it out. I almost forgot. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every week. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special note the moment the videos are live. We are so grateful for all of you watching. If you have a question or a comment, don't forget to leave it for us. We do, or I do actually, answer all of the comments myself. It is not another staff member, it is me. Unfortunately, with what's going on at this time, it has definitely taken me more time than I would like to get to your questions and comments. But guess what? We have an awesome community here at MissPlanIt, and they are so willing to help if I can't get to your questions right away. But just know, I will answer them as soon as I possibly can. I so appreciate you taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and so we do not take it lightly that you choose to spend your very precious time with us. Check out our website for more awesome DIY ideas, as well as blog posts, as well as cost-saving things. We have a resource library there with lots of free things in it. So don't miss out. Head on over to MissPlanIt.com or just click in the corner and it'll take you right there. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. And I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.